A big tornado!
Here's your balloon! My balloon! Hey! Ha! Mr. Pelican, a tornado is coming. Please stop selling balloons and go home now. What? A tornado? You need to go home too, little yak.
Attention everyone! Attention everyone! Attention everyone! Attention everyone!
A tornado will be here in 15 minutes!
Please go to your basement or underground parking lot and prepare for the tornado!
Ouch! Daddy, we need to go to the basement! A tornado is coming!
It's okay, it's okay. Our house is very strong. Don't worry, relax. Ouch!
Woof! Hi, I'm Sheriff Labrador.
Help!
Hello? Hello? Papillon, find out who called just now.
Leave it to me! Found it! The call was from Mr. Yak's house. This is the location!
This is strange. Why does it keep moving?
It's moving so fast and in circles. It can't be! They're caught up in the tornado! Let's go!
Look! A big ice cream cone is chasing us!
Huh? That's not an ice cream cone. It's a tumbleweed tornado! Ah!
What? Oh no!
It's a giant tornado!
Everyone, get out of the car and go to low-lying places! It's coming! Watch out, Mr. Raccoon! Don't stand next to the telephone pole! What? What was that? Watch out! Huh? Ah! Get down!
Where's Sheriff Labrador?
Sheriff Labrador! Sheriff Labrador! Huh? Where is he?
Dobie, under your feet!
Ouch!
Huh? Huh? A pot lid and a toilet? These are things in a house. Huh? Huh? Oh no! The yaks are in the tornado! They may get thrown out at any time! Dobie, Papillon, let's go save them!
Okay!
Oh no! The car can't be used now! What do we do?
Oh. Huh? I have an idea! Papillon, use this as a tire!
Got it!
Dobie, help me carry the mattress to the car and use it to save the yaks!
Watch me! Ha!
Let's go!
Daddy! What if we fall down?
We won't. Daddy has strong arms.
Daddy! Daddy!
Little yak!
They're falling down!
Hold on tight!
goodness! We're safe!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, if you run into a tornado, you need to evacuate to a safe place immediately, such as a basement or inside a sturdy house. If you are in a car, stop the car and get out right away and find a low-lying place to take cover. Also, remember to stay away from trees, telephone poles, and billboards, because they might hurt you. Please keep these in mind. Woof!
Big fire in the Dino Park. It's so The T-Rex is awesome! I want to take a picture with the T-Rex. Yeah! Roar! Help! It's breathing fire! My Dino! Stop! It's dangerous! Help!
Let's go! Watch out!
Hurry up, everyone!
Good job, Papillon. Help them get to a safe place.
Got it!
Dobie, follow me. Over there, hurry! Watch out! Don't panic, everyone! Cover your mouth and nose and move away from the smoke! Bend down and go this way!
Sheriff Labrador! A fire-breathing T-Rex took little Chick!
What? A fire-breathing T-Rex? Let's go! Little Chick!
Little chick!
Little Chick!
It really is breathing fire!
No! Something's wrong with the parts in its mouth!
Help me!
Oh no! Little Chick is in danger! Let's follow it! Let's get out of here!
Oh no! Look over there! I can't hold it anymore!
We need to think of something!
This way! And please don't push!
Papillon!
I'm coming!
Go up to the back of the T-Rex and turn off the switch.
Got it! Leave it to me! Ow! Here it is! Oh, there's so many buttons! It's a piece of cake! It must be this one!
It finally stopped. Why is it moving again? Watch out! Help me, please!
Sorry, that was the wrong button! We'll try again!
It won't move again, will it?
Phew!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, if you're ever in a place where a fire breaks out, don't panic. Don't try to save your belongings. Just get out of there right away. When evacuating, cover your mouth and nose with a damp cloth and avoid thick smoke. Please remember these tips.
Woof!
A big shark is coming! Don't worry!
Wow!
Here you are!
Oh!
Hi! I'm the new police officer, Papillon!
Nice to meet you, Officer Papillon.
I have lots of useful tools. They'll be handy for our operations.
Woof! Hi, I'm Sheriff Labrador.
The Sheriff Labrador! A shark is biting people! Please come!
A shark?
Hello? Hello? Let's go to the beach right now.
Okay!
So windy!
Come on up! Hold on tight! Look what I've got! Big fish! Up into the sky!
Dobie, let's go! Watch out!
Watch me! Go! I'll take care of the shark!
Thanks, Dobie. Everyone, get out of the water right now!
You've missed! You can't bite me!
Dobie, come on up now!
All right! Playtime's over! Bye-bye!
That was so scary! Thanks! You guys are awesome! Sheriff Labrador, my brother went out surfing, but he isn't back yet!
What?
We'll go find him right now!
Help!
He is over there!
Got it! Help me!
Hurry! He's in danger! Let's go!
See what I've got! The shark's so strong! Run, everybody!
Champion! We need your help!
Got it! Look what I've got! This is a smart rescue boat! It's fully automatic!
Huh?
Whoa!
Let's get on! Dobie, hurry up!
Oh no!
Come on! Hold on tight, everyone! Let's go!
I'm sorry. Something's wrong with the welding. But don't worry. There's another way. Look!
Tunnels?
Dobie, pedal!
The shark was so scary!
Sheriff Labrador's safety talk. Kids, sharks are very dangerous sea animals. We shouldn't play in the water when there are sharks around. If you ever see a shark, get out of the water and go to a safe place nearby. Also, don't go into the water when you have a wound. The smell of your blood might attract sharks. Please remember these tips.
Woof!
Never play with caterpillars.
A caterpillar? It looks funny.
Ouch! A caterpillar!
Huh? Are they all scared of caterpillars?
Ouch!
Sheriff Labrador, so many caterpillars are in there. It's really scary.
A caterpillar!
Let's go.
Over there! Hey! Little turtle! Are you okay?
I'm so itchy. It feels like something's under my shell. So itchy, so itchy.
Another caterpillar?
My neck.
My nose!
Oh no, the caterpillars are venomous.
Achoo!
The treatment is all done. You'll feel better soon.
Caterpillars usually live in the woods. They won't leave there by themselves unless someone moves them on purpose.
Oh, I remember. When I was doing Tai Chi this morning, I saw Little Wolf catching caterpillars in the bush.
Little Wolf must be scaring people with caterpillars. We need to stop him now.
Oh.
It's so fun to scare people with caterpillars. Let's go, my caterpillar army. Why is my arm so itchy? It's getting worse! Oh no! I'm itching all over! Caterpillars! Go away! Out! Stay away from me! Ow!
It's Little Wolf. Over there.
Let's go.
Get off me!
So many caterpillars. Phew.
The caterpillars are everywhere! Be careful! Let's go!
Okay.
Help! Help me!
Let's get out of here!
Hey! Aha! I have an idea! Super Tornado!
Oh, poor kid. I'll never catch caterpillars again!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, some caterpillars and bugs are venomous. If they bite you, the spot might get red, swollen and itchy, or even worse. Remember not to touch them and never play around with them. Also, if a bug lands on you, don't just grab it with your hand. Gently remove it with tools. Please remember that.
Woof!
Little koala is missing.
Little duck? Little rabbit? Little koala? Little koala? Where is little koala?
It's so hot.
Dobie, you'll feel cooler if you just relax. Woof! Hi, I'm Sheriff Labrador.
Sheriff Labrador, this is Miss Sheep at the preschool. My student little koala is missing. Please help.
Don't worry, we'll be right there.
It's so hot.
Miss Sheep, when did you find out that little koala is missing?
I found it out when I was counting the children coming off the school bus. What do I do?
I see. Kids, did you see little koala taking the school bus?
Yes, I did. Little koala always sleeps on the bus.
Then he might still be on the bus. Where's the bus now?
Oh, it usually goes to the school bus parking lot after dropping off all the children. Do you think he's there?
We'll go look for him. Don't worry, there's no case that I can't solve. Here's the school bus parking lot.
The driver, Mr. Yak, might be around here. Oh. Found him! Mr. Yak! Mr. Yak!
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. You've got the wrong person here. I'm Buffalo. Mr. Yak's hair is much longer than mine. Sometimes I wonder if he can actually see when he's driving.
Well, do you know where Mr. Yak is right now?
No, I don't. His bus is not here.
This is the driver's schedule. This is the logo of the Golden Scissors Hair Salon. Mr. Yak is probably getting his hair cut there. Let's go!
Oh, it's so hot. Where am I? I can't get out! Help! Somebody help me!
It's little Koala! He's stuck inside the bus! Oh no! He has fainted! We need to go save him right now!
Oh no! We are stuck! We need to run! Let's go!
Little Koala!
Call the ambulance now! Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Drivers and parents should be careful not to leave children alone in the car. Especially in the summer, the temperature inside the car can get very high, so children's lives might be in danger. Also, children should always remember to get off the bus at the right stop. If you ever get stuck in a car, try to go to the driver's seat and unlock the doors, or honk the horn to get people's attention. Please remember these tips. Woof!